Welcome back. So the next segment of Module 4 is about partnerships. And partnerships are very important because of the leverage they provide for your organization and the business relationships that you establish. And these business relationships are incredibly important to negotiate a win-win balance, and also to make sure that it has a long-term effect and that you can build your business upon these relationships. So why partner? Well, it builds the depth and experience on your core competency. You don't have to do everything that you're not expert at. And as a small organization, focus is incredibly important. And with partners who are already present in the organization and have a set of complementary skills that are mission aligned, you can scale faster. And to a certain extent, you can think of partnerships that are well established and working, that they become a barrier to competition because your competitors are not going to deal with the partners who are already in the market that you're beginning to serve. So this gives you flexibility to scale and a lower capital requirements for your organization. So who do you partner with? Well, depending upon the configuration and the products and service of your organization, you may have manufacturing partners to build the product. You may have distribution partners to sell the product. There may be sales or service organizations, financing organizations, microfinance, for example, governments, community-based organizations, and or other people within the value chain. The partnering has to be done in an open and honest way, because partnerships that are based upon anything other than complete candor tend to erode over time. And when there becomes misalignment, then what you'll find is that the partnerships begin to lose their efficacy, and the partner that you're dealing with will move towards alternatives. So your partner has to be incentivized to work with you. So are you mission aligned? Is there sufficient amount of return on their investment for the capabilities that they're providing? And does it help them achieve their overall goals? So the idea here we would advocate is to start small with your partners and grow them over time. But be careful not to get locked into situations where the partner becomes the dominant partner within the relationship and compromises your ability to be able to gain the margins you need to be able to grow and scale your organization. So the exercise is your key partnership example for this second part of Module 4 is to actually identify who your partners are, what type of relationships that you have with them, what is the value that's exchanged between them, and then what kind of agreement must you have in place in order for the partnership to have a clear definition of the roles and responsibilities, the sharing of the revenues and margins, and also what happens over a longer period of time. So again, using our example organization, Skills Tank, one of their partners is a social service agency, and it's a referral and contracted organization. The value exchange is that there's a small fee for each student that is referred, and the social service agency provides the referrals. In this case, the agreement is that there would be a contract between the agency and Skills Tank, and the status of it is indeterminate here, but it would be something that would be important to codify and to make sure that all the terms and conditions are expressed. Another partner is Amazing Desk, which is an employer partner. So this is when the graduates complete the course, there's somebody who would be interested in hiring these sorts of people. It provides small placement fees and successful referrals, and helps build an accurate curriculum. Again here, a simple partnership agreement that expresses the relationship between the two organizations and your organization. And there are a couple more examples here that you can look at. So again, your task in this second exercise of Module 4, identify your partners, determine what the relationship of the partnership is, how the value is exchanged, what the value received on both sides, and then what type of agreement you would need to have in place to make this effective for a long period of time. So that's it for Module 4. Good luck to you. Work with your mentors. If you have any questions, please send them in, and we'll get back with you next time. Thanks very much.